Good morning, first grade. I hope you are having a really terrific Tuesday so far. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. It is the 54th day of school, so I've added another penny. And your special today is physical education at 11:45. Before we go on to the schedule and the riddle, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. All right, so coming out first thing this morning will be an activity for you to record the current fluency passage, the one that is from Green Eggs and Ham. So it is handout 23B, or rather it says fluency homework 23B, but it is the one from Green Eggs and Ham. So you'll make a recording of yourself reading that nice and fluently. Then there will also be your application problem for lesson 6 today, and you will have a deep dive reading lesson as well. So it will be those three things. Yes, just want to make sure I was covering everything: the fluency, an application problem, and a deep dive this morning. We will meet at 10 for our reading live class. We will do word building. So if you could please bring these letters and a blank dictation paper, that would be great. It is A, C, D, E, G, K, M, N, P, T. And I will also put that on the typed schedule. And I know I've mentioned before, thank you for taking the time to get the letters out and do that. You know, it is helpful and does really help make that connection between the pattern and the sound and the spelling and the word when the first graders are actually physically moving the letters and building the words. So thank you. I know sometimes that can be, it can just be an extra step, but I appreciate everyone taking the extra time to pull those letters out for each word building class. So we'll have word building at 10 as we normally do, and then we will meet again at 1 for math. So if you could please bring your normal materials for math, and that will be our day. If you have any questions or if I can help with anything, just let me know. Just a reminder, the social studies will be just with our class, and it will be starting on Thursday at 10:45. So I will make sure to remind, and I will put that in the agenda that I always send on Seesaw in the morning as well. And we'll just continue to use the same Google Meet link that we've been using. All right, and you have, as I said, physical education, and I almost forgot, but I didn't. Before we go, the riddle today is the word bad, and then wolf is written. But notice kind of how it's written and what you think that is supposed to stand for, what phrase that is supposed to stand for. So I'll let you know at 10. But let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything. And I can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye, guys. See you soon.